BJP National President JP Nadda's visit to West Bengal. He landed yesterday, and minutes after JP Nadda landed in Malda, BJP MP Lokit Chatterjee has also tweeted, and I quote, launch of Parivartan Yatra is the beginning of the end of tyranny and misrule in Bengal. The commitment towards the well-being of the people of Bengal is expressed by our top leadership every time, unquote. Remember, as we keep our focus on this visit of the BJP National President, we will keep highlighting how the BJP is sharpening its attack against the ruling TMC, really going ahead with this aggressive campaign this time around ahead of the assembly elections, with top BJP leaders making their presence felt in poll-bound West Bengal within few days. And Piyush, my colleague, also continues to be with us. Piyush, we keep up with the latest visuals of BJP National President JP Nadda, who's now reached Malda. Take us through what we can expect in the next few hours.
Well, yes, Kristen, we are also getting pictures of BJP's National President JP Nadda reaching there at Malda Airport, and he's all set to leave from Malda Airport and reach here first at Mango Research Institute, where we are right now present. You can see that preparations are also going on for his welcome. The locals have also gathered here. They are going to give a grand welcome to BJP's National President JP Nadda. You can clearly see that the officials from this research institute, they've already come here. Workers are holding a bouquet in their hands. There are some locals also who have come here to felicitate JP Nadda. Any minute from now, he can reach here at this institute, Agriculture Institute, Mango Agriculture Research Institute, and after that, he will be going inside this very area, this premises of Mango Research Institute. Remember that we had also gone inside and showed to our viewers as to how preparations have been done inside. Also, remember that this visit is also going to be very crucial because here he is going to meet
BJP's Lokit Chatterjee joining us on the phone line as well. Piyush, I'll come back to you in just a bit. But, you know, Lokit Chatterjee, you just put out a tweet, spoke of how, once again, this is a very important visit that the BJP is looking at, how the BJP is certainly sharpening its attack against the ruling TMC over a period of time, and that is only intensifying as far as both JP Nadda and Union Home Minister Amit Shah's visit time and again is concerned.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, Ms. Lokit Chatterjee, if you could hear me.
Hello? Yeah.
Ms. Chatterjee, can you hear me?
परिवर्तन यात्रा या पश्चिम बंगाल में ये नड्डा जी का, अध्यक्ष जी का जो अभी रैली है, जो अभी परिवर्तन यात्रा हो रहा है, इसको 2021 में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सरकार आएगा और ये जो यात्रा पूरा बंगाल में चलेगा, इसका पूरा समर्थन बंगाल का जनता है और इसको गया है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में तृणमूल सरकार जा रहे हैं और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सरकार आया है। इतना दिन 10 सालों से टीएमसी सरकार ने बहुत सारा और जो चिटफंड केलेंकरी जो है, महिला का असुरक्षा, जो प्रधानमंत्री का जो स्कीम था उसको नहीं देना, ये सब बहुत कुछ किया है। कोरोना के टाइम में भी ये फेल्योर था, अम्फन के टाइम में भी ये फेल्योर था और सबको मालूम हो गया जो केंद्र जो सरकार है, राज्यों में वही सरकार आएगा, तो डबल इंजन का सरकार आएगा, तो बंगाल का जनता को सुविधा होगा।
Thank you, ma'am, for speaking to us. That's BJP MP Lokit Chatterjee saying that the launch of Parivartan Yatra is the beginning of the end of tyranny and misrule in Bengal. A lot of expectations as far as this yatra is concerned. 5 of them that will take place